Hi, this is Kent, and welcome to my video course teaching you how to improve your WordPress website fast. Now, the first thing you want to do is download this PDF document. Now, you should see this document within the resource section of this video where you can download it. Now, if you're having trouble downloading this document for any reason at all, you can also go to my website and download this document right now. Now, the address to download this document will be readtolearn.net, then /WP, which stands for WordPress. So you enter in that URL into the address bar, press enter, and you'll be redirected to the PDF document. Now you can click here on the top right to download the document to your desktop, or you can click here to print the document. But you're definitely going to need this to go through the course, and this will make everything easy for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. If not, I'll see you in the next video and we'll get started.